So you have some type of lien against you. Maybe it's a lawsuit judgment, a court judgment. Maybe it's a phantom lien on your real estate. Maybe it's a prior second mortgage or home equity loan that became a zombie loan. It disappeared, it went dead for a while, now it's back to life. Maybe it's a loan on your car. Maybe it's a lien against your vehicle title. There's many ways you could have a lien or judgment or some claim against you as a consumer. And what happens is, until you get that lien removed or released, that's going to affect you. It's going to affect you selling your car. It's going to affect you selling your house. It's going to affect maybe even your credit, because that's a documented record. So until you get that removed from wherever that record is being stored, it's always going to be there. So how do you do this? Well, depending upon where the lien is recorded, if it's recorded on your car title, it's recorded in the land records for real estate, it's recorded in the court records, you have to find out the process of having that lien removed. There's a document you need to file to have that lien removed. Now, the problem is that document isn't just a unilateral document, meaning that you just can't do it yourself and sign it. There's a procedure to have it removed by a third party. Doesn't matter the type of lien, there's a procedure you can use to request that lien release. Most of these loans are what's called a charge-off or a write-off or expired. And there's a way to go through a paperwork process of sending notices out, sending requests out, sending what we call guerrilla marketing, where you send out multiple locations for these documents to be signed. And if the lien holder, the creditor, the claimant doesn't sign them properly, you can get the lien removed. Sometimes you have to get a magistrate's signature. There's multiple different methods to do this. And here's the good news. We're not attorneys. We're not giving you legal advice. But the good news is you don't need an attorney to do this. You don't have to have an attorney to do this. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. We have submitted thousands of lien releases over the years for vehicles, for real estate, for even court judgments. And this could be very successful. You can have a lien, a judgment, a claim, or a mortgage removed if you follow the right process. Now, if the lien holder, claimant, responds and reacts to it, you may have a battle on your hands. But even then, there's a third party that can override it, whether it's a magistrate, a prothonotory office, a court. If your claim is accurate, you can still prevail over a claimant that rejects or resists or answers the claim. Most of the time they don't. That's the key. Most lien holders and claimants, they're out of sight, out of mind. If they already have it as a charge-off, as a write-off, as something they've kind of put out of their mind, many times they don't respond because they figure it's not worth the time, it's not worth the money. So regardless of what you do, if you do nothing, your lien will stay there and will affect you. You can't sell your car, you can't sell your house, you have a claim on you. At least if you try, you have a chance of having that lien removed and being able to move on with your life, sell your car, get the money, refinance your house, get the money, not have a judgment against you in court that could affect you in other ways. If you have more questions about how to do a lien release, what the process is, you can click the link below. It'll give you instructions for do-it-yourselfers. We also have a service if you'd like to have us assist with preparing the documents. Remember, we're not attorneys, but you don't need necessarily to have an attorney. You can get one if you want. It just costs more money and it may not have different results. Click the link below if you have questions. You can also schedule a consultation with a certified lien broker to go over your case and see what options you might have. Thank you for watching another video at actualhuman.com and describe.tv. Remember, if you have questions or comments about our videos, put them in the link below. Also, remember that you have availability and access to live one-on-one question and answer consultation with a licensed expert in a number of fields: investigations, insurance, surety bonds, civil court mediation, even things like real estate records research, real estate brokers, real estate mortgage lenders. In addition, you're going to find that experts are available in business segments, business development, marketing, advertising, certified licensed experts. So if you do find this content valuable and you want to delve more deeply into a subject, you can't ask YouTube a question, right? But if you want to talk to somebody live, an actual human, use the link below. Thanks for watching.